Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button below. Today we're going to be installing the LED light bar that I told you guys about in the last video. If you haven't looked at it yet, you could check it out in the link up above. Yeah, so now to get to installing the LED light bar, so I'll get back to you guys when I'm outside. Alright, so it's a bit windy outside today, so sorry if you get a bunch of wind noise. But yeah, so this is where I plan to mount the light bar. So I have these brackets mounted. These came with the light bar, and I'm gonna fit it up probably this way, right here. So something like this. So I'm gonna drill 2 holes to put the bolts through, one there, one on the other side, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so to drill the holes, I'm using a 1/4-inch drill bit. So I'll get to that and get back to you guys. Alright, so got the 2 holes drilled, one here and one over here. So now I'm gonna try bolting up the light bar and see how it fits there. So the light bar comes with some of these nuts and bolts, as you can see here, if it would focus. So it comes with the nuts and bolts along with the bracket that's on the light bar. It comes with nuts, bolts, washers, so there's the bracket, both ends. And that's what we're going to use to bolt up the light bar. Alright, so this is what I have done. So use the bolt that came with the bracket, along with a lock washer and a bolt, and drill the holes there and sent it through. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and bolt in the light bar right here, and then I could adjust it however I need to and go from there with the wiring. Alright, so I have the light bar all bolted in here with the wires coming out on this side. So now I'm going to go under the hood and show you guys how to wire up the light bar. So I have the wiring harness that I showed you guys in the previous video. I know it looks like a lot, but it's very simple. So I'll get to wiring it up and then I'll show you guys what you need to connect. This is a relay switch. This very simple. You connect positive to the positive, negative to the negative. And this is the switch that will control the light bar. And this plugs into the light bar. There's 2 of them, so you would run something like this if you're running pods as well. So yeah, there's that. So I'll just lay it out and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, as you can see, so I ran one of them down and the bottom through there below the headlight, pops out through a little shroud thing, goes underneath here and comes out the front, and I connected it to the light bar. And for the switch, I'm going to just run it on the top over here and run it to inside the cab, and then I'll show you guys where I ran it. And then I'll connect these two terminals to the battery, and they will be wired up. Alright, so I ran the wires up where the windshield cowling is, across here, underneath the fender, underneath the lining here. And now I'm going to run it inside the cab, so I'll show you guys what I do here. Alright, so now I got it through here. I'm gonna pull the weather stripping, pull it a bit, run the wire underneath here. While I'm here, shove my hand in the vent, just pull on this, pops out, comes out. And I'm gonna run the wire here. So as you can see, got the wire through here, through there, and through the front here. That's for the switch. Now I'm gonna use a little hole saw and drill a little hole here so I could put the switch through. And that'll be it for wiring up the inside. I'll start doing that and I'll get back to you. Alright, so I got a hole drill using a little hole saw, and now I'm gonna unplug the wires, slide the switch in there, and then go from there. Alright, so got the switch put in, wires ran through, under the hood. Now to connect these two and clean up the wiring here, and that should be it. I should be able to fire up the light bar. So have the relay up here, have the negative side connected to the battery, positive side connected, have the light bar connected underneath there. Yeah. So now to check and see if everything works. Okay, so I'm in the truck now. I'm gonna turn on the switch and see that works. And it works. So everything's wired up correctly. So now we're gonna go check it out from outside. Alright. Not bad. Has pretty good light output, so that's great. Jeez. And that'll be it for this one. Yeah. Just to give it one last test that everything is working. So this is with regular lights on, this is with the light bar on. Love it. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Light bar is pretty easy to install, to be honest. Light output is great. I can't wait to use it when it's dark outside. I'm gonna try to get a video when it's pretty dark outside so you can see the huge difference. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to use discount code Lonnie10 to get 10% off if you're trying to get one of the light bars. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can search for the light bars or any other lights that you might be looking for. Also, if you want, you can leave some suggestions of what you would like to see me do to the truck next. That would be great. Just comment down below. And that'll be it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, I just want to say a huge shout out again to Lasfit for sending out the light bar. And don't forget again, guys, if you're looking to get one for yourself, there will be a link in the description, and use discount code LANI10 to get 10% off. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright, so this is it dark out. So this is with regular lights on. And this is with light bar. So no light bar. It's pretty bright.